there, welcome to AI Smart Wealth, where we explore amazing AI tools and I'll show you step by step how to use them to grow your online business.
Google Gemini just released one absolutely insane OWL tool that I think anyone can use to help them start an online business. And honestly, when I first tried these out, they absolutely blew my mind. All right, let's dive in. I'm going to show you this amazing new feature and guide you step by step on how to access it completely for free.
Trust me, it's easier than you think.
You can access this completely for free with a Google account. Once you're here, click where it says Create with Flow. Then, click Create with Flow again. This is a simple video generation tool. You've probably seen AI video generators before that create images or videos just like the one playing right now. If you click down here where it says New Project, you'll see a prompt box. That's where you can create your video. There are a few ways to do that. First, there's text to video. Just type what you want, and Gemini will make a 1-minute video for you. For example, let's try a mysterious prompt. There's something no one ever told you until now. You can imagine dim lighting, a slow zoom on a surprised face, and a soft whisper effect.
There's something no one ever told you until now.
Now let's try a powerful, motivational prompt. One moment can change everything. Maybe this is your moment.
One moment can change everything. Maybe this is your moment.
One moment can change everything.
Next up, frames to video. Here you upload a single image, and Gemini turns that still into a short moving clip. Just click Upload, pick your photo. Then type a prompt describing the motion. For example, make the cat dance. Gemini will animate the image based on your prompt. You can even set the video for YouTube Shorts. That's 9:16, the perfect portrait format. So let's go ahead and choose Portrait here. You can also choose how many videos to generate, up to 4 at a time. For this example, I'll select 2. Let's make a cinematic commercial teaser. Elegant lighting, slow motion, and a luxurious feel. First, choose the product you want to promote. Then type in your prompt and boom, it generates your ad teaser.
Where dreams blossom. A timeless scent for an eternal romance.
Dolce Shine. The essence of true luxury. Be bold. Be unforgettable. Dolce & Gabbana, Shine.
But I think the most underrated feature here, the one most people don't even know about, is called Ingredients to Video. So go ahead and select that one. And I'll show you in just a second how it works. But before we do that, there's something really important we need to fix, the settings. First, under aspect ratio, go ahead and choose landscape. Then, for number of outputs per prompt, one is usually perfect. If you pick multiple, it'll generate a few different versions. Now, under model, make sure you pick Veo 3.1 fast. Alright, this time, for the ingredients, I'm gonna upload a few new images. First up, this image of the woman right here. Then, I'll go ahead and upload another one. This product shot of these designer sunglasses. Now, with both of those images added as our ingredients, I'm gonna tell Google to show the model wearing the sunglasses. And then just click Submit. Okay, let's check out this video together. Wow, that is so smooth. I love how it can take plain product photos and instantly turn them into real lifestyle visuals. Literally in minutes. Normally, you'd have to hire models, ship products to a photo shoot, hire photographers, the whole process. But now, you can do it all right here with AI. Alright, now let's check out some more ingredients to video examples.
Which AI video idea would you try first? Write it in the comments, and let's see who's the most creative.
If you want to keep learning smart ways to use AI for your business and creativity, make sure to hit that like button